Yes, ma'am, go. Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
On behalf of Vaagdevi College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, I welcome you all from our department. I welcome our chief guest, GopalaKrishna Murthy Gangaraju sir and Chandra Dasra sir, our HOD, faculty, and all the students for this program. And this program is about the future trends of this mechanical engineering. And I want to give a brief introduction about our guest. Gopalakrishna Murthy Gangaraju sir has done his Bachelor of Technology in Sri Venkateswara University in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and sir has been appointed as many other positions like Deputy Manager Erection Information Engineering, Senior Manager Mechanical for a period of 2 years in Priya Cement Unit of Rain Industries, and Senior General Manager in Bharati Cement Corporation, and presently he's been working in Zuari Cement Limited for a period of 5 years and 8 months. I I hand over the session to Gopalakrishnamoorthy Gangaraju sir for overwhelming this session. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of our department and behalf of our college. Sir, you
Hello.
can please hand over. Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, madam, for the introduction.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, friends. So now we'll discuss about the future scope of mechanical engineering. First of all, I want to tell you what is the mechanical engineering, how it is different from other engineerings. You see, mechanical engineering is one of the oldest branch of engineering. Before, once the engineering has started, it is civil engineering. There is no other engineering. Civil engineering consists of all electrical, mechanical, everything. If you take mechanical engineering, it is advancement of civil engineering. Whereas civil deals with construction and design of buildings and all, whereas the mechanical engineering deals with the concept of thermodynamics as well as mechanical engineering and fluid mechanics and design of machines, operation of machines and production of machines, like automobiles, you take aircrafts or trains, everything is designed and produced by a mechanical engineer. You take any item, whether it is in your household or in your regular usage, it is designed and produced by a mechanical engineer. You take, start from your toothpaste or even brush, everything it has to be made by a machine, because previously in olden days when we are not developed this much, everything used to be made by manually. Now because of the increase of the population and increase of the production capacities, everything has become mechanized. So you see nowadays all two-wheelers, four-wheelers, cars, everything they are getting modernized. So mechanical engineering is basic engineering which is having life throughout any development of the world, any development of the technology. Without basic mechanical engineering, there is no developments further. Mechanical engineering also, it is getting advanced day by day, and so many new branches has come up from the mechanical engineering. So mechanical engineering always, if you take industry, I am working in the industry for the last 32 years. Mechanical engineer will never face a problem of job challenge. Always job will be there, and any industry you take, start from pharmaceuticals, chemicals, steel, cement, mining, everywhere mechanical engineers are there. They are required. There may be companies without electrical engineers, there may be companies without chemical engineers, or there may be without computer engineers or without electronics engineers companies. But without a mechanical engineer, there will not be any production companies. Any you take any goods, any services, everything is a mechanical engineer. So whoever is having interest to learn about the automobiles, to learn about the aircrafts, or to learn about the railway engineering, they should study the mechanical engineering. So as per my view, mechanical engineers don't have any problem of job searching or further development. You see, in our cement industry, there are about 300 cement companies in India. Almost 250 companies, they have mechanical engineers as the plant head. So mechanical engineer, maybe at the starting, when compared to computers, when compared to software and all, you may get a little less salary, but still mechanical engineer is having a future growth for reaching the higher positions. That is the future of mechanical engineering. So all you have to keep interest in mechanical engineering, and you have to study the mechanical engineering, which gives you a bright future. Because one time you see software development will be there, one time other industry development will be there, but mechanical engineer, any industry develops, you will have a mechanical engineer. When come to now, mechanical engineer, it is having lot of advanced trends in mechanical technology. You all know very well, nowadays we are talking robotics, mechatronics or nanotechnology. All these are the coming, these are all the advancement of mechanical engineering. You see, if suppose if you couple mechanical engineering with computers and electrical, it becomes robotics. So suppose if you club mechanical engineering with electronics and electrical, it becomes mechatronics. If you deal with minute particles and chemical technology, then it becomes a nanotechnology. So mechanical engineering is always a future for the world. Coming to robotics, I will explain you how the mechanical engineering has developed into the latest technology. Robotics, it is, I told you, it is an interdisciplinary stream of engineering combined with electrical and computer science or electronics. So with this all, now everywhere you are seeing we are going with a artificial intelligence revolution. So robotics is a mainstream where this artificial intelligence is used, because human brain is beaten by the robots. So whatever human being is doing, same can be done by a machine. So robotics is increasing in all companies also. You see Japan, even in India, in cement industries also, we used to employ sample collection manually. Now almost everybody is going for a robotic sample collection. So a robot will be there, it don't require any leaves, it don't require anything, it will collect the sample accurately, and wherever you want, it will support you there, and it will analyze, and it will also give you the results. So this is the advancement of mechanical. Robotics is nothing but the advancement of mechanical. In the same way, mechatronics, you know very well, nowadays all cars are coming with so much automation. So you cannot enter a car without a key, you cannot enter a car without person sitting in the seat. So many things are there. If you take away the key, nobody can take away your car, you only has to come and start the key. So much technology has come, but everything ultimately it controls a mechanical engine. So it is designed by a mechanical engineer, how it has to be controlled, how it will run, and how it has to be tuned. Even without a driver, now cars are available. You can see, you can read on Google, in Saudi, all Gulf countries, now driverless cars are coming. Once you order, it is everything controlled by a mechatronic system. You see, suppose you take the future of mechanical engines. In 2016, India is in the 11th place in mechanical advancements and technology. If you see now, in 2020, as per the projections of the industry, we are in the 5th place in the world. First place goes to United States, then China, Germany, Japan, then we are India. India is the biggest hub for the mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineering research institutes are there, all engineering colleges are there, everywhere so much studies and researches are going on, which gives a future prospects of mechanical engineering. So mechanical engineering is one of the best branch of engineering, where, as far as me, most clever people will come, because mechanical engineer thinks from the basic. working of all, you take trains, you take air flights, you take buses, you take automobile, everything you will think from the starting. All your knowledge will be implemented in the machinery and it will be used. So mechanical engineering is the basic engineering which is connected with all types of engineering. Whoever is the engineer, but he needs the help of the mechanical engineer. That is the future of mechanical. In mechanical engineering, you see there are different types of jobs and different fields in generally in industry. One is design. Some people they dedicate their life for the design engineers, where they use their technical skills to design the machinery, to draw the sketches, to make the models through the computers and all. They will design so that they will be called as a design engineers. Other one is production engineers. Production is nothing but the advancement of mechanical, where they actually produce the goods required, which is for the ultimate consumers, like automobiles, cars. All these things are done by a mechanical engineer only, because they will design the dies, they will design the conveying lines, everything, so that production can be happen and huge number of things can be implemented. Third one branch of mechanical engineering is analysis and testing. In this analysis and testing, we take the models and all the machinery parts where we will test and we will see whether it is satisfying our requirements. This is one branch of mechanical engineering. Fourth one is installation and maintenance. Sometimes, suppose if it comes to cement industry and all, they call it as erection and commissioning. So the supplier supplies the equipment, we will erect it as per the drawing, then we will run it, make the trial and continuously run for some time. Then after some time, we will do the maintenance and repairing and all. When it comes to industry, many engineers are there in the installation and maintenance. This is a big branch of mechanical engineering where many people get the employment opportunities and future also there. Fifth one of mechanical engineering where people can be employed is research, where implementing the findings, all the designs will be there. According to designs, they make the prototype of machines. They will do the research on that. They will analyze the things, various stresses, various problems they will analyze. Again, they will do the corrections and they will get the good outcome on the prototype of the machines. These are the main 5 places where all mechanical engineers are employed. When it comes to automobile industry, it may be trains, it may be cars, or it may be bikes. Everywhere mechanical engineers are required. And the future for the mechanical engineers in automobile industry is very bright. You see, in India now, we are having a lot of new automobile companies coming up. So everywhere it needs a lot of mechanical engineers who designs, who implement the systems, who implement the conveying systems, who implements the drive technologies, who implement the shapes, who implement the aerodynamic cars design. All things will be there in the automobile industry. Next one industry is the aerospace industry, where the mechanical engineers are having a lot of scope. In aerospace industry, now you see rocket design, aerospace industry design, all technological advancements are there. Aerospace industry is rapidly expanding. You see now even flying cars are coming. Even you see flights previously, it used to be operated by a pilot. Now fly by wire. That is the flight completely it will be controlled by a computer. So all the internal systems of the flight will be controlled by a computer. So much advancement is there. It is nothing but a mechatronics. Totally it is mechanical connected with electronics and computers. Third one is robotics industry. Now many companies are coming up with robotic design. Some fixed stationary robots are there, moving robots are there, so many things are there. Next one is power and metal plants, which is where you have a lot of opportunity for the mechanical engineers, because every power plant you see it is having from coal handling, boilers, turbines, then evaporators, superheaters, so many equipments are there. Everywhere all mechanical people are there. Even for the operation of the power plant, So many mechanical engineers are there. Only mechanical engineers can know how the power plant is run, whether it is healthy running or it is malfunctioning. Only the electrical engineers and all comes at the end where the power is conveyed. Till that time, all the power plants are taken over by the mechanical engineers. Same way steel plants. Steel plants, you see, when you go and study in engineering, in the material science, you will have all the blast furnaces, cupolas, centering systems, and all. All these are controlled by the mechanical engineers, even designed by the mechanical engineers. All the ingots, casting sections, forming sections, everything will be done by a mechanical engineer, especially like sail, VSP, and all. There are a lot of futures, and thousands of mechanical engineers will be employed where you have a lot of bright futures. Other one is last is mining. In the mining, where mining engineers will drill and all. Afterwards, the conveying machinery as well as the ultimate processing of the ore will be done by mechanical engineers only. If you see, suppose like our cement plant, we have around 80 engineers. Out of 80 engineers, we will have around 35 to 40 mechanical engineers. All others will be chemical engineers or electrical engineers or instrumentation. But mechanical engineers are huge in number because each and every equipment will be monitored and designed and installed and maintained by the mechanical engineers. In this way, mechanical engineer is having lot of scope for the future and growth of their field. But sometimes people will have a lot of doubts, even though some of our friends, some of our people, they have studied mechanical engineering, why they are not getting jobs? Not only mechanical engineering, any engineering you study, there are some basic things along with engineering study you should practice. Mainly it comes with the communication skills. While you are studying, okay, you study the books, you gain the knowledge, that will not be sufficient actually. So you have to increase your communication skills. Second one is designing skills. Suppose in the mechanical engineering, you have all designs, drawing, and AutoCAD and all. You have to learn it completely from the basic. The basic knowledge or the basic principles never a mechanical engineer should forget. And then knowledge sharing. Knowledge sharing also, while you are studying, you should share your knowledge with your teachers, and you have to gain the knowledge from your teachers, your professors and faculties. And you have to keep in mind, suppose you are going from first year to second year, it does not mean that you have to forget everything in the first year and go to second year. Till you complete and get a job, you should have that all basic engineering knowledge what you gained in a engineering college. Then only you will flourish in your life. It is not like a just arts college, because engineering is a subject where it is a future of yours. So unless you keep the basic knowledge with you, whatever you have studied may not be exactly applicable in industry, but ultimately it is a practical application of your basic theory. Unless you keep in this mind, any branch of engineering studying and doing job is different. So as a mechanical engineer, we should have all this, and mechanical engineering is the future of the world as per me. So people are very much interested in joining mechanical engineering, which is also a purpose. You take any industry, unless a production is connected, further industry will not survive. You take any software company, any this one, ultimately it should go to a manufacturing industry, then only that software company or anything will survive. Because unless the end producer like cement, because a lot of softwares are there, we are working in a cement advancement will be there, ultimately basic process is there same, and it is controlled by same mechanical engineers. All these are useful only to control the process in a easy way, but the basic process remains the same. So the production system remains the same. All these other branches of engineering will help it to make easy life of the mechanical engineering. So mechanical engineering is the basic of engineering where it is having a future or lot. Thank you.
Uh, so I think madam's net got disconnected. So there are few questions.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Uh, like some somebody asks like the industry is given less package comparing to other departments. Disconnected. So there are few questions.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Uh, like some somebody asks like the industry is given less package comparing to other departments. Disconnected. So there are few questions.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
Like some. Sir, it is. Sir, it is getting echo. Somebody asked like the industry is given I less think package Chandra sir, if he will off his speaker, it will be nice.
Sir,
Chandra sir, kindly off your mic, no?
mine, huh? Oh,
No, no,
Chandra, sir.
Sir, kindly mute yourself, no? Chandra sir, kindly off your mic.
Mine, huh? Oh, Chandra, sir.
Oh,
So it is audible now? Yes. So
Yeah, yeah.
somebody asked me that that industry is giving less package as compared to other industries.
No, it is not correct, sir. Actually, the salary offered to the candidate depends on the size of the company. One. Next one, it depends on the skill of the candidate also. If really the candidate is having all the required knowledge and the skills, definitely companies are offering more. It is not like that. Maybe one or two cases may be less, but a mechanical engineer is having the highest scope for the future growth.
Okay. One more fellow asked us that mhm, what the software side of mechanical engineering. You want to know? Yes, asked sir explain about mechanical engineering software side.
Mechanical engineering software, I told you, no, mechanical engineering is having advancement on software side like robotics and mechatronics. And the next one is ANSYS is there. All the design things. Machine design also, so many advanced technologies has come up. These are all the things specially only for mechanical engineers.
Okay. One person asked, how could a mechanical student can find a job off campus?
Off campus.
Mm. Because most of the company they don't come to these private colleges for on campus interviews. So how can they approach for off campus? Because the opportunities are also, I mean, not I mean opening are not that frequent as a software engineer or electronics engineer. That's why the question, I think.
Yeah, mechanical engineers, yes, mechanical engineer focuses like a hall, BHEL, SAIL, VSP and all. They advertise ONGC, NTPC, all they recruit in open competition. They can write the exam and go. Eh, Mechanical engineer is having a lot of scope to find a job. It is not only campus selection. Campus selection may be software companies where they take bundles of the people. But mechanical engineers are few. But they can get a job. It is a big issue. Opportunities are very high. So many consultancies are there. So many areas they can work. So many industries are there.
Actually, people are not aware of this.
Campus selection may be software companies where they take bundles of the people. But mechanical engineers are few. But they can get a job. It is a big issue.
No, no,
yeah. Can I take that question?
Opportunities are very high. So
has
many consultancies are there. So many areas they can work. So many industries are there.
actually people are not aware of
Campus selection may be software companies where they take
So actually, it is getting echo. Sir wanted to respond to it. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
Chandra, sir. You can take up this. Chandra, sir, you can take up this question if you want to. Possibly side by side, you have switched on that YouTube link also. That's why this echo sound is coming, because there is a gap between the real
Yeah,
time and.
thank you. First let me congratulate Gangaraj Garu. He has articulated very well.
Chandra, sir, you can take up this question
Yeah, yeah.
if you want to.
Am I not audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Possibly side by side, you have switched on that YouTube link also. That's why this. Uh, Chandra, sir, you can take up right now.
Correct. Yeah, I don't know. No, I have closed it. Closed it some time back.
Now it will be alright, sir.
Am I audible or not? Now tell me.
Yes, yes, it is audible
Arre.
now. Now it is audible. Now. Now you can speak, sir. No issue.
Hello.
You are audible, sir. You can speak.
Hello.
Sir, you can speak.
Sir, is it audible?
Yeah.
No. Chandra sir might be finding that is not audible. That's why.
Yeah. Yes, yes, it's.
Yeah, can you type? I'm now audible.
Yeah, audible, sir.
Yes. Okay. Good. Let me take that question. People usually they go by the number of companies that have visited the campuses. Actually, you should see how many students of computer science engineering and its associated branches like IT, etc. How many have completed their engineering, and how many are placed? Versus how many mechanical engineers have completed their engineering and how many of them are placed. If you look at the statistics, you will be surprised. I'm sure you will be pleasantly surprised that the more mechanical engineers are placed. Okay, we all go by the companies that have listed as Infosys, TCS, etc., etc. But it is unfortunate situation, particularly in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, that only people think about software only. Software is not the only thing. As the speaker sir is saying, you have HAL, you have BHEL. There are several public sector companies which offer a secured and well-paid jobs. Don't be under the impression that the mechanical engineers are not paid well. They're definitely, you know I know, because I'm associated with this IT industry for the last 30 plus years, and that too in senior positions. I was heading resource management group. Okay, let me tell you, the starting prices are almost same, but you look at the job IT now, it is very volatile. Nobody is confident. Yes, I have my job tomorrow. It will not be the same with mechanical engineer. you know this makes a lot of difference. And then mechanical engineer, with reference to IT, you need to update your skills every day, every minute. Okay, whereas mechanical engineering, you need to update your skills every day. That's all. Yeah, I definitely prefer a mechanical engineering branch to computer science. Okay, but only the misnomer is people look at what are the companies are visited, and only IT companies visit. Okay, and actually, if the placement officers can work, in collaboration with the public sector and other mechanical engineering, other manufacturing or production companies, they can definitely make the students uh, even before they complete their graduation. I'm very confident of that.
Yes, sir, you are right.
And the softwares, basically what a mechanical student is supposed to learn uh, in order to get into the job. What are the softwares they're supposed to be master with?
One is CAD,
Okay.
other is STAD,
Okay.
ANSYS. All these type of softwares are exclusive for the civil and mechanical engineers, where they will get the more opportunities for the design side. Otherwise, you need not generally for a production type of company, you need not learn so many things. Other one is MS Project. MS Project is the one of the software mechanical engineers may come across in their working, so that they can design the project and they will monitor the project, how it is proceeding as per the planning it is going, or it is lagging, or it is advancing. Other than this, not much softwares are required for a mechanical engineer to do job. Whereas, like Chandra sir told, for a software engineer, he has to update the skills every day. Otherwise, he will become obsolete. But an mechanical engineer will never become obsolete in his job.
So very nicely answered, sir. So, students are okay. What is the highest package a student can expect as a fresher in mechanical engineering?
Mechanical engineering, a student can expect a package of around 2.5 to 3 lakhs per annum. In our company, we are paying around 3 lakhs.
Sir, we are having a very good mechanical engineering branch here. Um, I request from our college point of view, you please visit our campus once, so that our people will feel like confident enough to face the world. And if it is
Yeah,
possible, you can take our students also.
definitely, sir. Definitely. Once I will try to come to your college and address the students.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. So it was very informative talk that you have given, sir. And Chandra sir also have reciprocated or given a very nice answer for the question. I think students will be happy with the what the questions they have asked and the answer both of you have given. I thank both of you from our college, Vaagdevi Engineering College and Vaagdevi College of Engineering, uh, for your valuable time. And I hope ki we'll be having a long term association, and we'll be having much more talks and much more interaction in future also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank,
Thank you
thank you,
very
sir.
much.